So this is our development scheme in Hirwaun. It forms part of our development programme for 2019-2020. The scheme is made up of 8 flats, 3 houses and an adapted bungalow. We worked in partnership with the local authority to meet the local housing need, and the scheme is funded by the Welsh Government.
Absolutely crucial that we create affordable homes within the valleys. There's a great need within our communities for good quality, affordable housing for ordinary working families. It was lovely to meet Delia and to see how this fabulous bungalow is going to improve her quality of life.
When I first saw the house, I thought it was unbelievable. It was my ideal home, basically.
When we have people in our communities with specific medical needs, getting the right accommodation for them is so very, very crucial.
The difference this bungalow is going to make to me now is I'm not going to be so breathless, and it could extend another 15 to 20 years of my life. I'm so excited to move in here. I just can't wait. I can't wait. I just wish I was in here now.